Welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Sewing is a popular hobby, and for many, a profession that requires a reliable and efficient machine. With so many different electric sewing machines available on the market, it can be challenging to determine which one is the best fit for your needs. In this article, we have compiled a list of the top 5 best electric sewing machines, taking into account factors such as performance, features, ease of use, and overall value for money. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced seamstress, these machines offer a range of features and capabilities to suit your needs. So, let's dive in and discover the best electric sewing machines available today. Number 5. GK9-886 Electric Sewing Machine. The GK9-886 electric sewing machine seems to be a compact and portable machine that is suitable for packing materials with single-line chain stitches. Its 210W power rating and 36V voltage suggests that it is powerful enough to handle heavy-duty sewing tasks. Additionally, the sewing speed of 2800 to 3200 stitches min is quite impressive and could increase the efficiency of your sewing projects. The machine's construction materials, aluminum alloy, and insulating plastic, are durable and can withstand prolonged use. Its size of 270,160,330 mm and gross weight of about 3.5 kg, machine plus battery, make it easy to carry around and store. However, since I do not have personal experience with this particular model, I cannot comment on its ease of use or other subjective factors. Overall, the GK9-886 electric sewing machine seems to be a reliable and efficient option for those in need of a portable packing machine. Number 4. GK825 Electric Sewing Machine. The GK825 electric sewing machine is a portable electric sewing machine that comes in two colors, yellow and red. It has a sewing speed of 1800 to 2600 needle per minute and a rotating speed of 18,000 to 22,000 rpm. The machine can handle a maximum thickness of 10 mm, making it suitable for a range of sewing projects. It has a voltage of either 220V or 110V and an output power of 190 watts. The machine size is approximately 29.3 centimeters, 21.0 centimeters, 28.5 centimeters, making it compact and easy to carry. Based on its specifications, the GK825 electric sewing machine seems to be a reliable and efficient sewing machine. Its high sewing and rotating speed and maximum thickness capability make it suitable for both lightweight and heavy-duty sewing projects. Its compact size and portability make it a great option for people who like to sew on the go or have limited space in their homes. Additionally, the machine's dual voltage options allow it to be used in different countries, making it a versatile option for frequent travelers or expats. Number 3. GK9-700 Electric Sewing Machine. The GK9-700 electric sewing machine is an excellent choice for those who are looking for a high-quality and efficient wrapper machine. This electric machine is easy to use, compact, and comes with a powerful motor that can handle even the toughest fabrics. The machine's dimensions of 25.8825 mm and weight of 2.8 kilograms make it easy to transport and store. It also comes with a power supply of 110V 220V, which means it can be used anywhere, making it an ideal choice for those who work on the go. The sealing speed of 2000 to 2600 stitches min and sealing width of 7.5 to 10 mm make this machine incredibly efficient and fast. It can seal through various materials, including fabrics with a thickness of up to 10 mm, and it does so with ease and precision. The machine's power consumption of 190 W is relatively low, making it energy efficient and cost-effective. Its degree of automation makes it easy to use even for beginners. The machine is also relatively quiet, so it won't disturb your working environment. Number 2. GK9-890D Electric Sewing Machine. The GK9-890D electric sewing machine is a powerful and versatile machine that is suitable for a variety of industries, including clothing, chemical, home textile, machinery, and more. This machine is built with a solid metal construction that ensures durability and longevity, making it a great investment for those who require high-performance sewing machines. One of the standout features of this machine is its walking foot feed mechanism, which allows for smooth and consistent feeding of fabric even on thick and difficult materials. This feature, combined with a maximum sewing thickness of 9 mm, makes it an ideal choice for sewing heavy-duty fabrics, such as denim and leather. The machine is also designed with an overlock stitch formation, which creates a neat and professional finish on the edges of your fabric. This feature is particularly useful for preventing fraying and ensuring that your projects have a polished and finished look. In terms of speed, the GK9 to 890D does not disappoint, with a sewing speed of 1800 to 2600 needle per minute and a rotating speed of 18,000 rpm. You can complete your sewing projects quickly and efficiently, even when working with larger fabrics. The machine comes with a 36W power supply and an output power of 190W, making it an energy-efficient option for those who sew frequently. It also features a stitch length of 7 to 10 millimeters, giving you the ability to customize the length of your stitches, depending on the project you're working on. Number 1. GK9 to 350D Electric Sewing Machine. The GK9 to 350D electric sewing machine is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient sewing machine. This model is packed with features that make it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced sewers. One of the standout features of this sewing machine is its single chain stitch. This stitch is perfect for creating strong and durable seams that can withstand heavy use. The stitch length can be adjusted between 7 to 10 millimeters, which gives you the flexibility to create a variety of different stitch patterns. The GK9 to 350D electric sewing machine is also capable of sewing materials with a thickness range of 0.2 to 10 millimeters. This means that you can use it to sew a wide variety of fabrics, from lightweight cotton to heavy-duty denim. Another great feature of this sewing machine is its size. Measuring just 25,825 centimeters, it's compact enough to fit on any sewing table or desk. This makes it easy to store when not in use, and convenient to use whenever you need it. The machine is constructed from high-quality materials, including an aluminum casing, all-copper motor, and alloy castings. This ensures that it's durable and built to last. Additionally, it has a net weight of just 3.4 kilograms, which makes it easy to move around and transport. One of the most impressive features of this sewing machine is its lithium battery. With a capacity of 36V 26,000 mAh, you can use it for extended periods without having to worry about recharging. This is especially useful if you need to take your sewing machine on the go. Thanks for watching this video.